Laswell's model of communication. Laswell's model of communication, introduced by Harold D. Laswell in 1948 as a linear communication model that explains the process of communication through five key components. It is widely used in media communication, political science, and advertising. Let's proceed to five components of Laswell's model. The five components of Laswell communication. Number one, whom? Communicator. The person or organization sending the message. Example, a new anchor, politician, or social media influencer. Number two, see what message. The information or content being communicated. Example, news updates, campaign promises, or advertisement. Number three, in which channel medium, the medium through which the message is transmitted. Example, television, social media, radio, newspaper, and etc. Number four, the whom receiver, the target audience who receives that message. Example, viewers, voters, customers, or social media followers. Number five, with what effect? Effect, the outcome or impact the message has on the audience. Example, change opinions, increase sales, or altered behavior. Key feature of Laswell's model. It is a one-way communication model. No feedback is considered. It is highly useful in mass communication and propaganda analysis. The model emphasizes the effect of communication, making it essential in marketing media and political campaigns. End of topic.